talking about my family. Hey Ria. How are you?
Hey Sarah. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well too. So, tell me about your family.
Sure. I live with my parents and my younger brother. What about you?
That's nice. I live with my parents, my elder sister, and my grandmother.
Oh, that's lovely. Do you and your sister get along well?
Most of the time, yes. But sometimes we argue over silly things.
That sounds familiar. My brother is very naughty, and we fight a lot.
Younger siblings can be mischievous. How old is he?
He's 10. He always tries to play pranks on me.
That sounds fun. My sister is 5 years older than me, so she acts more like a second mother.
Wow. That must be helpful sometimes, right?
Yeah, she helps me with my studies and gives me advice.
That's nice. I have to help my brother with his homework sometimes, but he never listens.
I can imagine. What do your parents do?
My dad is a doctor, and my mom is a teacher. What about yours?
My dad is an engineer, and my mom is a homemaker.
That's great. Your mom must be really caring.
Yes, she takes care of everything at home.
My mom is always busy with schoolwork, but she still finds time for us.
Moms are amazing, aren't they?
Absolutely. What about your grandmother?
She is the sweetest. She tells us old stories and makes delicious food.
That sounds wonderful. I wish I had my grandparents living with me too.
Do you visit them often?
Yes. We visit them every summer vacation.
That's nice. Where do they live?
In a small village. It's peaceful there.
That must be a great place to relax.
It is. We play in the fields and eat fresh fruits from the trees.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I love nature.
Me too. Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have 3 cousins. We are very close.
That's nice. I have 2 cousins, and we always have fun together.
Family gatherings must be exciting.
Oh yes. We play games, eat lots of food, and have endless fun.
Same here. Festivals are the best time to meet everyone.
True. Speaking of festivals, which one is your favorite?
I love Diwali. It's so colorful and fun.
Me too. I enjoy bursting crackers and decorating the house.
And the sweets. I love eating all the delicious treats.
Same. My mom makes the best sweets during Diwali.
That's lovely. Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes. We all sit together and tell stories after dinner.
That's beautiful. Family time is so important.
Yes, it helps us bond. What do you do for fun with your family?
We go on trips, watch movies, and sometimes play board games.
That sounds fun. Where was your last trip?
We went to the mountains last summer. It was breathtaking.
Wow. I love mountains. Did you go trekking?
Yes. It was tiring but totally worth it.
That's amazing. I wish I could go on a mountain trek too.
You should. Nature is so refreshing.
I'll convince my parents for our next vacation.
That's a great idea. Do your parents like traveling?
Yes, they love exploring new places.
Same. My dad enjoys road trips.
That's cool. Road trips are so much fun.
Yes. Music, snacks, and beautiful views.
Perfect combination. Does your family have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog named Bruno. He's adorable.
Ah, I love dogs. What breed is he?
He's a golden retriever. So playful and loving.
That's amazing. I wish I had a dog too.
You should get one. Pets make life happier.
I'll try convincing my parents.
Good luck. They'll love a pet once they see how cute they are.
I hope so. By the way, what does your sister do?
She's studying medicine.
Wow. That's impressive.
Yeah, she works really hard.
That's inspiring. I admire people in the medical field.
Me too. They help so many people.
Your family sounds amazing.
Does yours? Family is truly a blessing.
Yes. I'm so grateful for mine.
Same here. I wouldn't trade them for anything.
Me neither. Families are special.